Hey everyone, Pat's Cosplay here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Dragon Ball Raider from Dragon Ball Z.
Using the template that I've provided below, you want to transfer that over to paper first, and you'll want to use that to transfer it over to 6mm foam. After that, you're going to want to cut out the base design, and then you're going to want to take the same paper design, cut that inner circle out to create the upper layer of what the Dragon Ball Raider will be. And that will be able to give it some depth and more of a realistic look to the Dragon Ball Raider. Then you're going to want to cut that out, you're going to want to glue them all together, and then you're going to want to plasti dip everything together. For this, make sure you do both front and back sides, just so the paint doesn't get absorbed when you try to apply it to the Dragon Ball Raider. So for this, I'm just using white paint from the dollar store, keeping this very inexpensive, very cheap prop. It's going to be used very minimally, and it's not going to try to draw too much attention to it. But yeah, you're just going to want to really get in there, and this is going to take about 2 to 3 coats. For the green, I found that the green took a long time. So for the green, when I did the green, it actually took a lot longer than what I was expecting. It took about 4 coats to finally get all perfect smoothness. So for this, I'm just using a black Sharpie to get the straight lines and a ruler so that the lines are as straight as possible. If it does happen that you mess up, as you can see I messed up, just go ahead and repaint it again and then try it again and get it to a point where you're satisfied with. You can always fix it up a little bit later by making the lines a little bit thicker. Then you want to use red paint to get the triangle piece for the center of the radar, and then use yellow paint to put some Dragon Balls on the radar. And yes, those are real. Those are real Dragon Balls. I swear. I walked over to one, and it was actually there.
And there you have it. That is how you make the Dragon Ball Raider from Dragon Ball Z. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh look, there's a Dragon Ball over here.